Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. A baseline conflict really results from the perception that one's needs, goals, values are impeded or threatened. So if one feels like their fundamental needs or their goals or their values are being impeded or threatened, they are by definition in a baseline conflict. And when slowing down your speech, you want to slow it down enough so you can really enunciate your words. You can hear yourself articulating your words very clearly. The more you start to feel someone else's agitation, and if you start to feel defensive, probably you're going to have to balance that out internally by taking your own speech a little bit slower and a little bit down in tone and volume. Someone's bringing you an issue, and what you first want to do is just repeat back the issue that they brought to you. So you're just helping them feel heard here, and you're making sure that you actually heard what they said correctly or accurately. So you might say, okay, I understand. So you want a refund on that fee because it's something you didn't expect. Does that sound right? Okay, so here's an example of how it might sound. You got charged for the minibar, but you didn't use anything from the minibar. I'm so sorry that happened. I'll absolutely fix this for you. If you need them to align with you, you could say something like, sometimes if something in the minibar isn't properly replaced, it can be recorded as used. So if this was an accident, again, I'm sorry, just a glitch, unfortunately.
Someone saying you were corporate.
So I can apologize to you and tell you that
I
yes,
need your apology. I need you to step away from my counter.
You're not being logical right now.
I have no intention to be. Do you?
So that's very interesting. I mean, so the customer clearly identifies she's not being logical, and people can't be logical in escalated states. They're just kind of opposite brain states. This is again called pre-escalation strategizing. Super important, because if we can stop escalated situations before they happen, then we don't have to necessarily de-escalate. Then we don't have to experience someone's spontaneous aggression or their escalated state.